Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm George. This is the Model Railroad Show, and today we're talking about something that I gotta tell you, generally surprised me. I'm pretty impressed. All right, so a little while ago I was at Amherst train show. I did a video where I talked about what I bought at Amherst, did a little Amherst show kind of haul. I will link that video somewhere here on the YouTubes for you to go check out, or in the description so you can check it out afterwards. One of the things I bought, and kind of like a crazy thing, is I bought this express scale ballast from Scenic Express. Boop, right here. All right, and fine natural soil and dirt, natural stone aggregate. All right, so it's kind of like a crazy thing. I was like, I'm buying dirt. Reason I did it though, I did have a reason I wanted to check this out, was because I have sifted dirt myself, took dirt out of the yard, saw on YouTube, hey, you know, that's a good thing to do. I think the dirt that I have, that I took out of here, didn't really suit my needs necessarily. It was very unpredictable what color it was going to be. It was different colors, different points to lay out. Sometimes it got really, really dark, and it's just not, I don't know. I didn't really like it. So I was looking for another solution. Haven't laid that much down. I've been using the Scenics, not the Scenic Express, the Woodland Scenics, the earth, like the regular earth, not the earth blend, but the regular earth is kind of like a first layer. And this, I don't know if I'm going to use it as a first layer or not. We'll see how things go. But I got to tell you, put some down on the layout, and I'm super happy with it, because where I've put it down, the color is just very, it's predictable. It's, you know, when you glue it, it doesn't darken or change color. I think the biggest concern with regular dirt, and I've heard a lot of different people say this, is that when you glue it down and you wet it with a wetting agent, it changes color. And some people say, you know, that comes from the alcohol. Well, I don't know. I'm not really into using wet water, so excuse me, just my workflow with the wet water. Takes a long time to dry. I'm not really a fan of it. I know Jerry Leone has his whole system that he uses, that a lot of us have seen him use, where he has his dirt sifted through his stocking, and he uses the stocking and he sprinkles dirt on the layout, and Jerry's scenery looks great. I wasn't getting that same gig, and basically what I followed is, you know, scoop some dirt and baked it in the oven, made sure that all the, you know, minerals, that any bugs in there were killed, and then I sifted it out and I ran a magnet over it just to make sure, you know, hopefully if there was any metals in there, I'd catch one a magnet. Didn't really, caught a few things, small stuff, but nothing that was groundbreaking, because you don't want anything metallic getting into your locomotives. And then I separated it out and screened it, and I've used it in a layout. So enter in, you know, not sponsored, obviously, Scenic Express. I saw this on the shelf and I was like, you know what? I'm not happy with what I have, so I may as well check something new out. I think this at the show was $19 or $16.99 or $19.99. I forget what it was. And I'm just shaking my head. And Stacy's like, what's the problem? I'm like, I'm buying dirt. Like, it's craziness, you know? It's dirt. But check this out. I'm going to show you how it looks on the layout. So first I want to show you how my original dirt looked on the layout, and you can see it here. Right there. This little scene. It's a little dark. Right, that's one spot of how it looked. We come over to this part of the layout. You can see here, right on this hill here, this is all the original dirt down there, and to me it just, I don't know, it's like gray. It's just dark. And that might be my soil that I have here. And here it is again, you know, just testing it out, you know, just to see if it was me, you know. You can see it on top of here. And you can see how it's getting that like dark gray. And you know what, some people might like that. I was not loving it, man. So looking for another solution. So I started to lay down this dirt in conjunction with my other scenery, and you can see it here, how it's looking all in here. This is the regular dirt, the Woodland Scenic Dirt that's laid on top of my scenery. And honestly, and this stuff is glued down. Like, it is definitely looking more like dirt here. All right, but here's where I actually have a bunch of it down so you can really take a look. And I'll be fill in some other details here. But this is the Scenic Express Dirt. All right. And again, this stuff is glued down. It's let me grab a tweezers here. You can see it is glued down, and it looks like it's dry, which is what I really like about it the most. It looks pretty good. All right. So that's why I'm pretty happy. Also, it's got, a nice blend of some decent sized particles. And, I think it adds some nice texture to the scenery. And texture is something that I've been missing over here for sure. All right. So yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it so far. I'm gonna put a bunch more of it on the layout. See what keep you guys posted of the progress there. Like I said, I bought this at Amherst. If I could find that Amazon link for it, I'm gonna put that Amazon link down below. 32 ounce quart. I think it was somewhere between $16.99 $19.99 for this jug. Super, some of it's like super fine, but again, it's got like some particles in there that are really good for N scale. And it says product contains naturally occurring silicate, which is known to cause respiratory illness. So you might want to wear a mask when you're sprinkling this stuff down. Safety third. I don't wear a mask. I don't really wear a mask when I do anything down here. So that's where I'm at. Digging it. Let me know what you guys are using for dirt. I know a lot of people use real dirt. I just haven't gotten the results that, I'm not gonna say I got bad results with it. I hadn't gotten the results that I want. And that's kind of what's important. So let me know down in the comments if you're getting the results that you want with real dirt, or if you're using something else. I mean, I've used a bunch of tile grout too, and tile grout's nice and fine. I've used a couple other things, but this one I'm digging. So, all right, listen, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, hit that what else? Hit the bell. You gotta hit the bell. Do the things. Bell lets you know when I put up new videos. And I appreciate you watching. And short one this week, but next week's another week, and I'll catch you in the next one. All right, later.